Hi guys, it's Stacy again, and I am here with Marcus. Marcus, tell us a little bit about your company and what you do.
I'm with Absolute Machine Tools, and I'm an automation engineer.
Amazing. All right, Marcus is going to show us some of these awesome things behind us, so stay tuned.
All right, so what we have here is our automation tending cart. So this one has a 3-drawer pull system on it. What we have here for a demo is we're doing coaster plates for drinks. What you see on top of our cart here is a Productive Robotics OB7 Stretch. So basically what we can do is if you want to select a different type of either a color or if you want beer mugs or wine glasses, so you can have the choice here. So maybe we'll do maybe a blue coaster, and let's maybe say beer mugs. I'm more of a beer guy than a wine guy.
Me too. Cleveland's a beer town. Cleveland is a beer town.
Basically, this is a simple, just an HMI screen. This is by Mitsubishi. It's called a GOT2000. So essentially what you can do is you can have like a programmable choice option here essentially. And then basically based off the inputs that you put in here, the robot will take those inputs and then basically apply that to the machining center. So we selected, we wanted a blue coaster, we want to do beer mugs.
We absolutely do.
So basically we'll just hit cycle start here and then the robot will take off and do its thing.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. There it goes. And Marcus, how long are you going to be at PMTS? The whole time, right?
Whole time, definitely.
So if people are coming out to PMTS today and tomorrow, they should definitely stop by, check out this guy and his wonderful face, see all of these products, because this is not the only machine that they've got. They have so many awesome new technology here, so many awesome improved technologies here. You definitely got to come out and check it out for yourself. Now, what is this doing? This is etching in here?
Yeah, it's just like doing a simple engraving. Exactly. And what's actually really kind of like what separates the OB7 kind of in the like what gives it its own unique position in the market is it's a 7-axis cobot that's actually really easy to program. As we always like to say, it's like a beginner level. Because you don't need to take any type of complex training classes or know any type of specific language to write. It's more or less drag and drop tiles, and as you drag tiles in and as you progress forward, it builds the program for you.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yes.
It is priority. Even over this.
So basically now it's finished right here, and this what's kind of also unique about this robot, it has like if I hit the top of this, it'll open up the gripper for me.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Do it.
So I don't really know of any other, maybe there are, but I'm not sure if there are any other robots that do it, but I just kind of like actually just learned out about this feature, and I've been using them for a while. I didn't know it existed.
Yes. That's so cool. All right.
Stop by at 4 o'clock for happy hour. Beer on us, right?
Oh, I love that. All right, you guys, you heard it here first from my new friend Marcus. 4 p.m. happy hour, beer on them. And if you are in the market for any of these awesome machines, come by, talk to him. He's great.
Take care.